Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expression Start Studio Gallery with a couple of square-edged containers. One has mead and white and one has mead and black paint. Both are mixed with my usual recipe, Floetrol 3/4 and GAC 800 1/4 to half and half paint. And the mead and you can put a little bit of water in. So, I usually prime my edges and so on, but since this is an already primed canvas and I'm late in the day, I'm thinking I'm going to try something a little different. Which might actually help me see some lumps, which I just saw. And I'm kind of hoping this is enough paint, and I'm tempted to add a little bit more. I'll let that drain down and grab my mead and add a little bit more. Because I'm going to be swiping through with a palette knife. I may use an edge catcher, but mostly I'm planning on using an edge catcher just to allow the paint to fall off the canvas. Come on out. Out you come. I know you're in there. I just saw you. There you go. It's a-coming. Alright, this is going to be an interesting one. I didn't fill this up quite as full last time as I did this time. Actually, I said that exactly the opposite. I filled it up a whole lot less last time than this time. I don't know how far these will spread. I am going to grab a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. And I'm thinking I would like to spread this out a little bit before we start. I might even be tempted to throw a few dribbles around here and there. As in, that would be, if it were open, and it was a second ago. There we go. I think that'll be alright. I also kind of want to hit it before I tip it. I hit the container of white with my torch. And I don't usually see bubbles in the black, but I do this time, so I'm going to get rid of them right now. And I could have taken the time to do my edges, but I didn't. And this is telling me that I have more paint on one side than the other, so I'm going to grab myself an edge catcher and let the paint flow down to one side a little bit. I'm liking this design though. I gotta tell you what, that's pretty cool. Something cool for another time. Let's let that go. Squeeze it right off, and that's one end covered. I could just turn it around. Whole new painting coming right up. This is all in the name of getting it somewhat more even than it was. And that is pretty cool. Okay, I'm done. Let's grab. I have a scrape dish. Let's grab all the paint that's still going to be useful right off my paint catching edge catcher. So the residuals can make it even more interesting than it already is. I take pictures of these sometimes. I call them accidental art. I don't take pictures. I take pictures and then I don't process them. So I have a lot of them I haven't done anything with, which is too bad because they're very cool. If I do say so myself. Okay, so I've got, that is the wrong, that is frozen. And I'm really low on it. So I'm going to wait until the end to do that. I'm going to give myself some blue velvet. And I want this to be dominantly pink and red. But I don't mind if some of the colors don't get swiped. I'm not sure how far I'm going to go. Trying to keep my lids on. I've got some Baltic amber, and that's very tempting to put some of that in there. I mix with Vivid Polypore. Everything is from Colour Arte except for the Mayan paint, which is on my Amazon link. Ooh, Claret, perfect. That was the Baltic amber if I didn't say. And what else have I got? Did I do pink diamond? I did pink diamond already. I've got some Poinsettia. And I'm bound and determined this time to make this spread all over the whole canvas. I also have, and I have not mixed up, some Hot Orchid, which I don't use as often since Colour Arte does not sell it in anything other than the jasmine color that's in the pigment powders. No, they're not Prism Pours. These are Prism Pours. Even this. Now last time I said I was going to put in some Chantilly lace and then I neglected to do so. And I did just say I was going to put in the rest of this frozen. And I'd like to make it go the whole picture. It really adds a tremendous amount. I wish I had more. I'll have to check, but I don't think so. I think I'm out. I'm about to fill a shopping list, which reminds me there's a promo code for 20% off Colour Arte products underneath the video. And if you're watching on some device where you can't find it, just ask me in comments and I will get back to you with any information you need, any questions answered, anything I can help you with. I'm going to take every bit of that, even though it's a nasty... There we go. Nasty Mayan covered. I want it all. What can I say? The rest is going on my low leafy silicone mat. Okay, I'm often tempted to use my own silicone OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, but in this case I still am learning how to use. Off you go. The smaller, oh, gold, yes, gold, no, gold was supposed to be a cell activator, which is one golden product, which is iridescent, and one is Decor Americana, 24 karat gold. That's pretty cool, I like it. I wonder if I should spread that out a little bit. Why not? Sometimes you get the coolest things by accident. Must be why they call it accidental art. I really am super tempted by my own spatula, but I'm going to use the Aussie Floetrol and Amsterdam white, and I might put a little purple in there too. And I might have to have 2 passes. There's a hair in there. Wow. Okay. Come off, hair. Let's do it again. I believe I will be able to cover this entire canvas. I'm not happy about that hair though. I will be tilting unless I decide that I'm okay with that. I do use GAC 800, which is bound to be a new pouring medium or renamed just pouring medium, but it advertises itself as being able to help prevent crazing. So look for that, because I use 25% GAC 800, which, like I just said, is the same. That hair will not go away. Come on. Just because it's polypore doesn't mean it's impossible to get rid of it. Let's get some of the things that want to be in my way out of my way. I kind of wish I'd put some orange in there. You know what? It's not too late. Kind of like that black, actually. It's not coming out very well. Oh well. Let's do the purple first this time. Looks like I'm going to have to mix up some more white. And wipe off my paddle. The white is cool. I haven't tipped yet. I have little tools too if I wanted to go into some of these places like this. I really like the white. I haven't used any black, which is okay because I have a whole lot of black otherwise. This would be a good time for an edge catcher, I think. I think I like those little orange dots I left behind. And it's definitely time for me to go get my sheet of acetate and cover my surface with it. Excuse me, I'm gone for a moment. I know everybody slow tips, but I'm not one of those people. I'm sorry, not a slow tipper. I don't edit my videos. I'm just an outsider in this. This is intense. And I seem to be managing to keep a lot of the paint on the canvas, which I'm happy about. And any paint I get off, I would also be very happy to. Pick back up again. And chances are good that I will use. It's dog walking 30 here at our house, so our dogs are watching other people walk their dogs. This is insane. This is really cool. I like this a lot. I will be having to try harder to cover my edge. And I'm going to get a heck of a tilt, but I think I'm just going to put up with it this time. Not sure where I'm going to be able to put that down to pick anything up. I just got rained on by paint. Let's use whatever I can scoop up, and we'll call it good. There we go. That's amazing and very cool. I'm going to try my best to get this paint covered drop acetate out of here and quickly, hopefully, check for holes and rinse my arm off. Because you'd think I'd be used to having paint covering myself by now, but I'm really not. and have a look at this. This is so cool. Look at that. That's so cool. I love it. Now I could pour a ribbon over that, but I don't think I need to because I'm really happy with it just the way it is. I am going to probably, after you're gone, take any, there's a few little gaps on the edges, but I have a lot of paint on that paint catcher and a lot of paint in my dish and a lot of paint on my turntable, on my tile. So I'm thinking, oh, I love this gold area. It reminds me of nougat candies. No, there's nothing about this I don't like. Maybe that down there. I see something I don't like. That hard edge. I don't think there's any place for 45-degree angles in this. This is a diagonal beauty. I'm so happy you guys could join me. I'm going to try and zoom in, and I'm going to grab my camera. I'm not sure what I can show you, but I'll give it a try. I say grab my camera, you know I mean my phone. Oh, that's tremendous. Look at that. That's awesome. All right, I'm going to zoom in. I've got 2 minutes left to tell you. Come on, timer, to work. Got 2 minutes left to tell you I do sell my artwork, and should you like to have some information about making a purchase, wow, you should definitely check my email address under the link tree. Wow, this is awesome. I'm so glad I used the bigger canvas. I have a few bubbles. I will be poking them. I might even use my torch first. Oh, this is tremendous. This deserves resin. If you have this environment unlike myself to resin and you get something that looks like this, you should definitely resin it because this is awesome. Look at that. That's a beauty. And I keep seeing my bubbles. And I'll look for them more after you're gone because I don't want any in this. I can't stop shining the light on it. But that's definitely the way to find the bubbles, evidently. So, you're going to be gone in a second, and I should tell you I have over 2,300 videos organized by topic and genre. And if you can't find what you're looking for on my playlist by going to all playlists, created playlists on my YouTube channel, then you should ask me because I can access all of them for you and share a link with you. I have a monthly donation. Actually, I have a monthly drawing, and if you make a donation, you'll be included in an invitation to join. And you can see the prizes at the beginning of the exhibition video on the end screen of this video. What else can I tell you? I'm so distracted by this painting, I can't even tell you. It's so awesome. I can't wait to finish fixing it up a little bit and move on. Alright, you're going to be gone in a second. Check out my link tree for Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. Society 6 has some of my most awesome things ever on with my designs on great merchandise. Pixels.com, Fine Art America. Lots of great stuff there. Spring clothing underneath the video. If you can't find what you're looking for among my paintings in any one of those places you're looking for, just ask me and I can probably add it. No problem. My paint pouring recipe is below the video. Please give me a thumbs up when you share my videos and watch them longer and watch the commercials. All those things contribute to helping my channel stay on YouTube and survive. Thank you so much for your kind words and your donations that help keep me painting all this time. If you have questions, feel free to ask me. I am happy to help you out. What did I not tell you? I'm not sure. I do give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I did mention that I do sell my artwork. And if you'd like to buy a painting, I am your girl. I need all the support I can get, so I'd be really love to sell you a painting. But if you want a reproduction, no problem. I can add them wherever they're available. I'll talk to you soon. I love you much. You inspire me often. I post 7 days a week. I love you very much. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I'll see you.